Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about complementary trigonometric ratios. So in this video, we are going to solve some problems on this topic. Okay. So the question asked is, we need to evaluate these following values. Okay, there are three questions here. So let us solve them. Okay. First one is tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So we need to evaluate this value. So the first condition that need to be satisfied is, if we add these two angles, it must be 90 degrees. Okay, let us check it. So if 36 degrees plus is added, 54 degrees both are added, it is 90 degrees. So we can use this concept of complementary trigonometric ratios. If the result is not equal to 90, we cannot apply this concept. Okay, remember that. So after knowing that you can apply this complementary trigonometric ratios, we need to convert any one of the following, either tan 36 or cot 54 into its complementary trigonometric ratio. Okay, that is, so I'm converting this tan 36. Okay, so tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So in the previous video we discussed it from the observation we made. Okay, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Okay, so on observation, theta is equal to 36 degrees. So tan 36 degrees is equal to cot 90 minus 36, which is equal to cot 90 minus 36 is nothing but cot 54 degrees. So tan 36 degrees is nothing but cot 54 degrees. Okay, so in place of tan 36, we can substitute cot 54 degrees by cot 54. Okay, since these both values are same, the answer will be 1. Okay, the both will be cancelled out, so it will be 1. Okay, now coming to second question, it is given sine 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. Once again, if we add these two, okay, the angle is 90 degrees. You can clearly see 15 degrees plus 75 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So we can use this concept of complementary trigonometric ratio. Okay, so after knowing that you can use complementary trigonometric ratios concept, you need to convert either sine or secant into its complementary trigonometric ratio. That is, so now I am going to convert this sine. Okay, so theta is equal to 15 degrees. We know sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, so sine 15 degrees is equal to cos 90 minus 15 degrees. 90 minus 15 is nothing but 75, so it is cos 75. So sine 15 degrees is nothing but cos 75 degrees. Okay, so in place of sine 15 degrees, we can place cos 75 degrees, which is equal to cos 75 degrees into secant 75 degrees. Okay, now we know that secant 75 can be written as 1 by cos 75, because secant and cos are reciprocal to each other. So in place of secant 75, we can write 1 by cos 75. So it is nothing but cos 75 degrees by cos 75. So this value is equal to 1. Okay, now let us solve the third one. So the question is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. So we need to evaluate this value, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Okay, add these two angles, 12 degrees plus 78 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So we can use this concept. Okay, So after knowing that we can use this concept, you need to convert either cos 12 degrees or either sin 78 into its complementary trigonometric ratio. That is, so I am going to convert this cos 12 degrees. Okay, remember you need to convert only one of them, not both at a time. Okay, so I am going to convert this cos 12 degrees into its complementary trigonometric ratio. Okay, so we know cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Okay, cos theta is nothing but sin 90 minus theta. So in place of theta we need to place 12 degrees. So cos 12 degrees is equal to sin 90 minus 12 degrees. 90 minus 12 is nothing but sin 78 degrees. So cos 12 degrees is nothing but sin 78 degrees. So in place of cos 12 degrees we can place sin 78. So it is sin 78 degrees minus sin 78. So because they both are same, they will get cancelled out and the answer will be 0. Okay, so hope you understood these type of problems, and let us solve one more problem on this. Okay, so here the problem is, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, and remember here 2a is nothing but an acute angle. Okay, and we need to find the value of a. Okay, so when these type of problems are given, so given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. So what you need to check here is whether tan and cot are complementary to each other. So in the previous discussion, we know that tan and cot are complementary trigonometric ratios. So we need to use this concept now. So in that discussion, what we made is tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. Okay, tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta. So here in place of theta we have 2a. So according to that, cot tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus whatever angle it is present here. So it is 2a, so I am writing here 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Okay, so because we have cot and cot here, and the angle inside it must be equal because there is an equal to sign here. That means 90 minus 2a must be equal to a minus 18 degrees. Okay, so send this minus 2a that side, and 90 degrees is equal to a. So if minus 2a goes that side, it will be plus 2a, and it is minus 18 degrees. So now send this minus 18 here, so it will be 90 plus 18 degrees is equal to a plus 2a will be 3a. Okay, 90 plus 18 is nothing but 108 degrees is equal to 3a. So from this 3a is nothing but 108 degrees. Okay, so from this a is equal to 108 degrees by 3. Okay, so a is equal to, it will be 36 degrees. Okay, so this is how we need to solve the problems on complementary trigonometric ratios. So hope you understood how to solve them. Thank you.